Hello, I'm Ryan Gillett, I'm from Brighton, I'm an illustrator and I'm here to show you how to use the Hato and D&AD co-design tool. To start off, you just click on the link below and you can draw a line, you can rotate while drawing, you can do some 3D squiggles, you can use different brush sizes, so you can go from something small and detailed to something a little bit bigger. You can also add like text and emojis and things like that, like a giraffe, billions of giraffes. So if you want to get a different perspective on what you're doing, you can just move it around and then continue drawing on the side of things. You can even use your finger, so you don't need to use any fancy pens or anything. Even use your iPhone or any like phone of any sort. You can also step back, so if you make a mistake, you can always undo and start again. When you're happy, you can then tap submit and your drawing can be part of the D&AD Festival identity. You can also tap and change the filter of your drawing, and you can share it to social media as well and show your friends how cool your drawings are. So keep up to date with all the new bits and bobs with this app with hashtag #StartWithAMark, and we look forward to seeing your doodles. Easy peasy, there you go.